In this video, we are going to show you how to parent up the arm pieces to the bones in the arm so that when you move your bones, the arm actually moves. So basically, you want your mesh or your objects to follow the armature pieces as they are animated and move around. So here we go. This is very easy steps here, the way I've done it. For this particular model, there's a lot of pieces. There's a lower arm piece, an upper arm piece, a body piece, a head piece. Okay, this is a particular type of model, right? Easy one for beginners. Some models are all one piece, which is a different video. Okay, so this one's good when you have a whole bunch of pieces for each bone. So what I do is I basically right click to select that piece. I hold the shift key and I right click to select that particular bone. So I've got two things selected here, and it's really important that you've selected the bone second. Whichever one you select last is going to be the parent. And what I'm going to do here is called parenting. So I hit Control P, and it's going to try to set the parent of the lower arm box to the bone in the armature that I selected. Now, once you've done that, basically what happens here is if I select that arm and I rotate, you can see now that piece is parented to it and it moves with it. You can still see that this one is not parented yet. So what we got to do is we just got to go through all the pieces. So I'll just double hit A, pose, clear transform all, just to put it back into the rest pose, and just keep repeating that. Right click on that piece, hold the shift key, right click on the bone, Control P, bone. I'll do the same thing for the body. I'll put the body attached to this big piece here. Right click, shift key, right click, Control P, bone. This neck I won't attach to anything, but the head I'll attach to the box. So the head box, shift key, right click, Control P to the bone. So basically now when I hit rotate, there's the head. When I hit this bone and rotate, whatever angle you do it, it's attached. Pretty good. Once you do that for all the bones, right, that are necessary to attach to the model, basically what you're going to do next is you're going to animate the armature and put keyframes in, and that's going to control the animation. So that'll be our next simple video. Will be a simple animation here of our character doing some sort of wave or head bobbing.